So I'm trying it on me just to see if I can get a more stable picture, because obviously, like, I'm just sat on my scooter, so hopefully it won't be quite as bouncy. It's attached to my hat, so see what kind of view we get, whether it's going to be a bit too high. There's a few people in the bars. Benidorm is meant to be on a red alert today. Well, the Valencian area, which included Benidorm, for severe weather. Rain, sleet, snow, thunderstorms, lightning, you name it, they forecast it. And they did issue a red alert last night for today, but as you can see, it is a bit windy. As did say, there'd be some strong winds, but as for the rain, well, we haven't got it yet, though for the rest of the week I think they're forecasting it, so we'll see what happens. But at the moment it's just windy. It's not particularly cold either, to be honest, although I have got my hat on and I've got a scarf around my neck just to protect my throat a bit, because as you know, guys, I did pick up that virus and I haven't really shook it off as yet. So yeah, still lying on my chest. I just want to see what it's like for the sound with the wind, because it is quite breezy, and obviously whether it is going to bounce about too much, we'll have to wait and see. So, got a cycle lane up along here now. Little kebab shop there as well. Hitburb car park. Try not to move my head about too much, so I don't want to affect it too much. But if this does work, could be a pretty good idea for me. I have also seen one with phone attached to their head. That was on Facebook, I believe, or Instagram, I can't remember which now, where she took the back case off her phone, the plastic back case off her phone, and put a scarf round her head, tied it round her head, then fitted the black case underneath it on her forehead, and then just clipped the phone on the front of her forehead. So it kind of sat in the case, but with the scarf between it, and then she could record that way. I don't know how stable that would be though, whether it would give enough support on it. I really don't know. So we're just going up to Francia. So another not really sure what it is, Central Social, not really sure what it is, but offices that have been built there. I don't think it's actually open yet. I'm not seeing anybody actually in it, but not sure what it will be. Then we have these blocks that really make me laugh. Just come out, pick your washing, or have an airer outside with your washing. And these are the back of our apartments. So quite nice. The sun has been trying to come out. So that's why I said it's not really too cold today. But if you look ahead over at the mountains, you can see that the weather is coming in. So Tuesday the 4th today. It's a nice little bar. I keep saying we're going to go. I haven't been in there yet. She got the bull ring over there. They have recently announced yet again the rejuvenation of the bull ring. That path is actually closed off. I don't know why they've done that. Really don't know why they've closed that off. Seems a bit strange. Sure, they've got the reasons. Maybe it's closed off because they've just been putting in a new art exhibition. I wouldn't have thought it would take off because anything to do with the weather, as I can't really see how that little bit is going to get affected by any rain. It does keep going a bit breezy, gets a little bit duller, and I keep thinking, yeah, it's going to rain in a minute. My phone does keep saying rain in a few hours, rain in a few hours, but as yet, nothing. So, just took you on a little journey round back of where I live. We're back on Alfonso de Puigderd's. Got the Cash Economy supermarket there. Must be some weather about somewhere, because there are a lot of cars that got the side lights on. So we will see what happens. They are saying rain all day tomorrow and Thursday, so who knows. So thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.